David Shulkin has been fired after weeks of speculation the president wanted a change at the VA. But he's not going quietly. In a New York Times op-ed, Shulkin argued he was being pushed out by people who want to put VA health care in the hands of the private sector. They saw me as an obstacle to privatization who had to be removed. Shulkin also defended himself on NPR.
I was not against reforming VA, but I was against privatization, and I think that it was really the political appointees that were trying to undermine our efforts at VA.
Shulkin faced criticism in February for using taxpayer dollars to pay for his wife's airfare on a trip to Europe. He says the expense was pre-approved and he repaid the government after an internal investigation.
I was not allowed to put up an official statement or to even respond to this by the White House, who told me that they didn't want me responding.
The president has nominated his physician, Rear Admiral Ronnie Jackson, to replace Shulkin as head of the VA.
This is a man who, as a doctor, understands medicine, as an active duty member, understands the military.
Jackson vigorously defended President Trump's health after his physical earlier this year.
I told the president that if he had a healthier diet over the last 20 years, he might live to be 200 years old. I don't know. I mean, he has incredible genes. I just assume.
The Senate will have to confirm Jackson, and his hearings may be tough. Some lawmakers are already pointing to the doctor's lack of experience running any large organization. Hena Doba, CBS News, the White House.